Imagine walking into the world's largest library, one that contains billions of books, articles, and documents. Now imagine having a librarian who has read every single one of them and can instantly help you find information or even write something new. That's essentially what a large language model, or LLM, is, a digital super librarian. Just like a library stores knowledge in books, an LLM stores patterns and information from vast amounts of text it was trained on. But unlike a regular library where you have to search through books yourself, this digital librarian has already read everything and can help you immediately. So how does our digital librarian write articles or answer questions? Think about when you're texting and your phone suggests the next word, but imagine that suggestion system has read millions of documents and learned how humans write. When you ask it to write about climate change, it doesn't copy from a specific book, it creates something new, word by word, or token by token, based on everything it has learned. Now that we understand how large language models generate text, let's look at one of the most popular examples, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI assistant built on a large language model, capable of understanding your questions, generating creative content, and helping you with everyday tasks, from writing emails to explaining complex topics. When you chat with ChatGPT, it's not searching the internet, it's using everything it learned during training to predict what comes next in the conversation. Each response is generated in real time, word by word, based on patterns it recognizes in language. That's what makes it feel so natural, like talking to someone who has read almost everything. So, how can you actually use these AI agents in your daily life? Think of ChatGPT and similar tools as your personal assistants, available 24/7, right at your fingertips. You can use them to write emails, summarize reports, brainstorm ideas, draft social posts, learn new topics, or even plan your day. These tools are designed to make your work and learning faster, smarter, and more creative. The best part, they're available for everyone: students, professionals, creators, and businesses. You don't need to be a tech expert, just start a conversation, and your AI assistant will handle the rest. Here's an important limitation: just like a library that stopped acquiring new books at a certain date, LLMs have what we call a knowledge cutoff date. If an LLM's training ended in 2023, it's like having a librarian who hasn't read any books published after that year. But here's where it gets interesting: we can give our digital librarian new information. It's like handing the librarian a new book and saying, "Here, use this to answer my question." This is called providing context or reference material. You can paste in a news article, upload a document, or share data, and the LLM can use it right away to give you more up-to-date answers. Perhaps most remarkably, LLMs don't just recite information, they can reason through problems. Our digital librarian can connect ideas from different books, break down complex tasks, apply logic, and even be creative. Ask it to plan a birthday party or solve a tricky problem, and it can think through options just like a human assistant. So that's an LLM in a nutshell: a digital librarian that's absorbed vast amounts of human knowledge, can generate new text by predicting what comes next, works within its knowledge limits, can learn from new context you provide, and can reason through problems to help you. The next time you chat with an AI assistant, remember, you're talking to the world's most well-read librarian, and it's always eager to help. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button and subscribe for more AI insights, and tell me in the comments what you'd like to learn next.